The Turtle and the Two Geese. In the middle of a wide green forest lay a shimmering blue lake. The water was cool and clear, and many creatures lived happily there. Fish that sparkled like silver coins, dragonflies that danced above the lilies, and 3 close friends who shared their days together, a turtle and 2 geese. Every morning, the geese glided gracefully across the water, while the turtle rested on the warm rocks near the shore. The geese would tell stories from faraway rivers and fields, and the turtle would listen with shining eyes, imagining all the places he had never seen. They were an unusual trio, one with wings, one with flippers, but they understood one another well. They spent their days laughing, talking, and watching the sunset paint the water gold. But one year, the summer grew harsher than anyone could remember. The days were long and dry. The cool wind disappeared, the leaves turned brittle, and the lake began to shrink. The fish gasped near the muddy edge, and the air smelled of dust. The turtle looked around sadly. If this goes on much longer, our lake will vanish. The geese nodded. We can fly to another lake, they said, but you, our friend, cannot travel so far. The turtle sighed. I wish I could go with you, but I cannot fly or walk that far. The geese thought for a long time until one said, We can carry you. If you hold a stick tightly in your mouth and we each hold an end in our beaks, we can lift you into the sky. The turtle's eyes lit up. That might work, but remember, said the other goose firmly, you must not open your mouth while we fly, not even a single word. If you do, you'll fall. I promise, said the turtle. I'll stay silent the whole way. The next morning, as the sun rose pink and gold over the forest, the geese brought a strong stick. Each took one end in their beak, and the turtle bit down on the middle. With steady flaps of their wings, the geese lifted off the ground, carrying their friend high into the air. The wind rushed past his shell, and the turtle's eyes widened in wonder. He had never seen the world from above. The forest stretched far and green below, the rivers shone like ribbons, and the fields looked like tiny golden squares. He wanted to laugh with joy, but he remembered the warning and stayed silent. Soon they flew over a village. Below, some people looked up and pointed. Look at that ridiculous turtle hanging from a stick, shouted one man. How foolish, sneered another. What kind of creature thinks it can fly? Maybe it's a trick for lazy animals, laughed a boy. An old woman clapped her hands and said loudly, That silly turtle thinks he's a bird. The turtle's cheeks grew hot with anger. He thought, They're mocking me. They don't know I'm clever. The turtle trembled with rage. He wanted to shout, I'm not foolish. You'll see how smart I am. But the moment he opened his mouth, the stick slipped from between his jaws. Down he fell, spinning through the air, past the trees, and landed with a great splash in a muddy pond below. The geese circled above, shouting, Are you hurt? The turtle crawled out slowly, dazed but alive. He was lucky to fall into a pond. I'm all right, he sighed, but I've learned something today. Words can be heavier than stones. The geese landed beside him gently. Every friend learns in their own way, one said kindly. When the rains finally returned, they found another lake, cool and full once again. From that day on, the turtle swam quietly beside his friends, wiser, calmer, and never too quick to speak. So remember, children, A wise person knows when to speak and when to stay quiet. Thank you for watching Family Time Tales, where every story brings us closer together. This was a classic folktale passed down for generations, part of our mission to share timeless legends from around the world. Subscribe for more tales to enjoy with your family.